Let's grow in one sentence. I would say it is the must-attend event of the year.
I would say it is the ultimate way to learn together and grow within this franchise industry.
You should be at Let's Grow next year because I will be here.
Here at Let's Grow, when you have a size of about 300 attendees, you're actually able to forge relationships with real people, network with individuals, and come away with real relationships.
Let's Grow is about continuing to build this great community and sharing and learning from others.
Let's Grow 2026.
Welcome to Let's Grow Canada, folks.
Michael, we're not in Canada. We're in Dallas.
We're in Dallas. Welcome to Let's Grow Dallas.